Hello everyone, welcome to Biodiscovery. Wishing you all happy World Water Day. Hope you are doing great and having good health. In this video, we will discuss few important points related to World Water Day, like history behind World Water Day, importance of water, what are the importance of World Water Day, why do we celebrate World Water Day? What is the theme of World Water Day 2024? Small initiatives for saving water and many more. This video is going to be more informative, so stay tuned. This day was first formally proposed in Agenda 21 of the 1992 United Nations Conference on Environment and Development in Rio de Janeiro. In December 1992, the United Nations General Assembly adopted Resolution ARAS 47/193, by which 22nd March of each year was declared World Water Day. In 1993, the first World Water Day was observed, and the theme for the first World Water Day in 1993 was Water for Life. The key focus of World Water Day celebration is to raise awareness about importance of fresh water among world community, to sustainable use of water, encourage people to take action against global water crisis, and most importantly, to inspire global community to learn more about water related issues and put their contribution to get it resolved. The theme of World Water Day 2024 is Water for Peace. It focuses on the critical role of water plays in stability and prosperity of the world. Today, 153 countries share aquatic ecosystems composed of almost 300 river basins and around 600 transboundary aquifers, comprising 60% of the planet's accessible freshwater. The theme also suggests that management of these transboundary water can help prevent conflicts and build lasting peace. Water is a non-renewable resource. We cannot assume life on Earth without water. On this Earth, two broad categories of water exist: fresh water and marine water. Marine water is not suitable for most of the living organisms and plants, while fresh water are used by most living organisms and plants. It is used for drinking, growing crops, vegetables, and in transportation. Together we can make a large impact on taking a small initiative. Small initiative can produce large result. Few initiatives we can start on this occasion in order to save and sustainable use of water. We can reduce household uses of water while washing dishes, clothes, showering and brushing teeth. We can avoid overwatering to our garden. We can use rainwater harvesting techniques for land escaping uses. We can use environment friendly soaps and cleaning products because these ultimately mix with groundwater and may pollute them. I hope you have liked this video and the content that has been shared in this video. If you have liked this video and the content, please like and hit the subscribe button to get notification when we upload new and informative video for you. Stay connected, stay healthy, stay informed. Thank you for watching.